y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to work on some more fall desserts. This is a very simple one and most kids love it. Probably some adults too. It's called double decker cookies or stacked cookie. You take these little cookies like this and some pre-refrigerated dough and you basically stack them. So I just got the Walmart brand this time. So you can get Toll House. I used it before on one of my Valentine videos. You have to be real careful with these. I don't like using refrigerated dough because a lot of times mine burn, believe it or not. So what I like to do, I'm not sure what others do, but I like to kind of just press it down just a little bit. And yeah, you could get peanut butter if you'd rather have peanut butter, you know, or any of the other flavors. So kind of just, and yes, it's still cold. So I've already preheated my oven to 350. And I like to line my baking sheets with foil because it's just easier for me. So I kind of just mush these just a little. So then you just take your Stamps cookie and kind of just not a lot because they're really easy to fall apart. Just kind of press. As soon as everything looks complete, just go ahead and take them out. This is straight out of the oven, except for I let it sit for about 1 solid minute, maybe a minute and a half. So you will need to do that, and they are perfect. Just have to kind of wiggle it off here. They're still warm, but they turned out perfectly. Cute little cookies that are a little bit different, and if you have kids like I do that don't really like the stamped cookies, which is what these are called, this kind of gives you a festive little look, and they end up having to eat it anyway. We're going to make a pumpkin dump cake, and this one's a little bit different than we've done in the past, if I've done another one. So first thing you're going to need is to preheat your oven. And you're going to preheat it to 350 degrees. You need a can of pumpkin, 100% pumpkin. You need that. You need a 10-ounce can of evaporated milk. This is a 12, so I'm going to try not to pour the whole thing in. You're going to need a cup of brown sugar. You're going to need 3 eggs. So you're going to mix all this together. Alright, and we're going to need 3 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Get my 9x13 pan over here. We're going to go ahead and pour all of this into our prepared pan. Alright, set that aside. The next thing that you're going to do Let's put your yellow cake mix on top. You're just going to sprinkle this. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to put some chopped pecans. You can use graham crackers if you wish, but I'm going to put some chopped pecans. Some toffee chips. Some of these. Sprinkle a little bit of those on there. The last thing is melted butter, and my butter did not melt all the way, so I'm trying to speed it up. You're going to pour the butter over the top. This is 2 sticks of butter melted. I did not use margarine, I used real butter. You're going to have to watch this big time in the oven because the butter and the pecans, they will burn. You're going to bake this for 45 to 50 minutes or until the center is set and the edges start to lightly brown. So you need to bake it uncovered if possible. I'm just going to watch it, and then after about 30 minutes or so, if it looks like it's, you know, browning too quick, we're going to have to tint it with foil. So y'all need to keep an eye on it. I'll see you back here in an hour. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. I did let it brown all over, but it's not burnt or anything like that. It's perfect. I went ahead and took it out. This is straight out of the oven, so you probably need to let it rest a little while before you cut into it. If you like what you see and you like our other content, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.